From a whole nother planet, ice on my neck dancing.
First, I start off by adding a little Cantu leave-in conditioner in my hair just so it will be easier for me to detangle and part my hair. To get a nice zigzag part, what you want to do is part your hair diagonal and then the opposite way diagonal again. Once my hair was perfect enough for me, I started brushing my hair down and added gel as I needed to. Once my hair was all sleek and fleek and all that, whatever you want to call it, I started to do my edges, since y'all think I don't have none. But anyways, yeah, I just did my edges. My hair was all nice and neat. I added some more Cantu so my curls can be booming.